Are you tired of using those basic detailing supplies from the other guys? You know what I'm talking about. That stuff that doesn't perform? Well, I used to choose the other guys, and now I only choose Masterson's Car Care. Now, if you want the best, go hop over to mastersonswax.com where you can pick up this waterless car wash. This stuff is amazing. You spray it on the car and it washes the car with zero water. Saves you a lot of time and also saves the environment. Now check out this snow foam right here. This is one of my favorite products. You put it in your foam cannon or your foam gun and it fills up the car with amazing car wash foam. It's the best shampoo I've ever used. If you want the best detailing supplies, go hop over to the website mastersonswax.com and get the best detailing supplies for your ride with fast and free shipping over $99. One of my favorite products is this Strawberry Blast air freshener. I love this product. It removes smells and odors from the car and refreshes the AC system. One of my favorites to use on any type of vehicle. But remember, if you want microfiber towels, accessories, and detailing supplies that truly perform, hop over to our website mastersonswax.com and get everything you need to get your car looking great. You want to use the best, forget the other guys and switch to Masterson's Car Care.